Hey, David. Long time no see.
Hi, Emma. Yeah, it's been a while.
Wow, your English sounds really good now.
Thank you. I've been practicing a lot.
Seriously, I'm impressed. How did you learn so fast?
Well, it all started about 6 months ago.
6 months? That's amazing. Tell me your secret.
Haha, no secret. Just hard work and consistency.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Why did you decide to learn English?
I wanted to apply for an international job.
Oh, I see. So, where did you start?
I started with the basics, alphabets, simple grammar, and daily words.
Did you take classes?
Not really. I learned mostly online.
What kind of resources did you use?
YouTube videos, English podcasts, and some mobile apps.
That's cool. Which app helped you the most?
I use Duolingo for vocabulary and HelloTalk to talk with native speakers.
Hello Talk. I've heard of that. Did you really talk to native speakers there?
Yes. At first, I was nervous,
I can imagine.
but they were really friendly and helped me correct my mistakes.
That's awesome. So, how much time did you spend each day?
Around 2 hours every day.
2 hours? That's dedication.
Yeah, I divided it into small sessions.
Like how?
30 minutes in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, and some time at night.
That's a great idea. Did you practice speaking too?
Yes, every day.
With whom?
Sometimes with friends, sometimes by myself.
By yourself? How?
I used to talk to myself in English in front of a mirror.
Really? That's brave.
Yeah, it helped me build confidence.
That's interesting. Did you watch movies or TV shows too?
Oh, yes, a lot.
With subtitles?
At first, yes. Then I watched without subtitles.
Which shows did you watch?
Friends and The Office. They're funny and easy to understand.
Nice choice. Did that help your listening skills?
A lot. I started to understand how people actually talk.
Like slang and expressions?
Exactly. For example, what's up instead of how are you?
Yeah, that's how people really speak.
And I repeated lines from the shows to improve pronunciation.
That's clever. Did you read books too?
I started with short stories for beginners.
Like children's books?
Yes, simple ones. Then I moved to newspapers.
Oh, newspapers must have been tough.
At first, yes, but later, it got easier.
How did you handle difficult words?
I kept a notebook of new words.
And you wrote their meanings?
Yes, with example sentences.
That's very smart.
I also reviewed them every night before sleep.
Wow, that's a strong habit.
Yeah, consistency made all the difference.
Did you ever feel like giving up?
Many times.
What kept you going then?
I reminded myself of my goal, the international job.
Motivation is everything.
Absolutely. And I made small goals too.
Like what?
For example, learn 10 new words today, or watch one English video.
That's a nice way to track progress.
Yeah, small wins kept me motivated.
Did you also join any online communities?
Yes, Facebook and Reddit groups for English learners.
Did that help?
A lot. I asked questions and got quick feedback.
That's really productive.
And I also practiced writing comments in English.
Oh, that's how you practiced writing.
Exactly. Every little thing counts.
I agree. Did you ever take an English test?
Yes. After 5 months, I took the IELTS mock test.
And how was that?
I scored better than I expected.
That must have felt great.
Yeah, it gave me confidence to speak even more.
What about grammar? How did you learn that?
I watched YouTube channels like English with Lucy and BBC Learning English.
Oh, those are really good.
They explain grammar in simple ways.
Did you memorize rules?
Not really. I tried to understand how sentences work.
That's better.
I learned grammar naturally by reading and listening.
So you learned by using the language, not just studying it.
Exactly.
How is your English now compared to before?
So much better. I can speak confidently now.
I can see that. Your pronunciation is clear, too.
Thanks. I practiced shadowing.
Shadowing? What's that?
It means listening to native speakers and repeating at the same time.
Oh, like copying their speech.
Yes. It improves fluency and rhythm.
That's interesting. I should try that too.
You should. It really helps.
Did you ever feel shy while speaking?
Yes, at the beginning.
How did you overcome that?
I told myself, it's okay to make mistakes.
That's powerful.
I realized mistakes are part of learning.
So true.
And the more I spoke, the more confident I became.
Did your friends help you too?
Yes. Some of them corrected my sentences.
That's nice of them.
Yeah, I'm thankful for their support.
So now, what's next for you?
I want to reach an advanced level and maybe teach English someday.
Wow, from learner to teacher.
Maybe.
That's a beautiful journey.
Thank you.
You've inspired me to start learning seriously.
You totally can. Just stay consistent.
I will. Any advice for beginners?
Yes, don't wait for the perfect time. Just start now.
Great advice.
Thanks. Remember, small steps every day make big changes.